the heated flooring installed, they just glue this to the ground, and as you can see, the little coils. So right here where there's a gap, it's going to be the shower glass door. And then in the middle is the tub. So it's gonna go all the way up to where we shower. And then if you follow it all the way to here is the vestibule, if you wanna be fancy, the toilet room basically. And then it just wraps over here. So it'll be nice because this is the vanity and then your toes will be warm. So definitely something that we needed because as we are aging, the floors are just getting too cold for me.